The all-party Hurriyat conference leadership has warned India against the conspiracies being hatched by the RSS-backed ruling Bharatiya Janata Party to grab land and properties of Jammu and Kashmir Waqf Board across Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The APHC leadership, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the BJP, which has virtually taken over control of the Waqf Board through its hand-picked chairperson, also intends to snatch the land of Eidgah Srinagar, which is a reward for the Kashmiris for its historical martyrs' graveyard and hundreds of years religious association with it. The RSS and BJP nexus, the Hurriyat leadership added, wants to convert Jammu and Kashmir Waqf Board into a major tool to finance and implement its evil agenda in the occupied territory. The APHC leadership pointed out that the BJP is taking into possession all religiously and politically significant places and positions in the Kashmir Valley to affiance its Muslim identity, while in Jammu its patron RSS is openly imparting military training to its cadres in the name of Indian Army-sponsored Shaksha Sangam program to carry out a 1947-like massacre of Muslims in the region. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti, interacting with various delegations in Jammu, blamed the Modi regime's policies for growing public anger in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir People's League, in a statement, expressed deep concern over the deteriorating health of illegally detained APHC leader Mohammad Yasin Atai. The Hurriyat leader has been suffering from serious ailment at Supor police station for the past 15 days. However, the authorities have not provided him with basic medical facilities. 3 boys suffered injuries when an unexploded shell deliberately left behind by Indian Army went off in Hafshermal area of Shopian on Tuesday. The Army conducted a cordon and search operation in the area last night. A protest demonstration was held at the Jammu University campus over the racial discrimination of a university professor, Chandra Shekhar Chandra, by the administration because of his low-caste background that led him to take his life the other day. Shouting slogans, the protesters blocked the road for many hours.